Welcome to IGT TECH College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve network issues. This phone is showing no service. This phone is Redmi, but this method will work in any smartphone type. So we're going to fix network issues together. If it's your first time to reach here, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell. Then you will be notified when new video uploaded. So let us go step by step. First step, we must remove SIM card. Second step, we shut down phone. Then we continue step by step. Maybe this phone to shut down some, maybe let me check how to switch off this phone. Let me try to use a 3 button, not work. 2 button, yes, then shut down. That's how. So let us start open. Do it careful. So I will explain it when the time to explain reached. Let us first open phone without speaking many words, but don't worry, you shall understand everything in this video. We shall be explaining. So as you see here, there is no network antenna. Why? There is only wire. Meaning that some guys tried to do jumping for this network issues, but he failed. So for now, I'm gonna be showing you how to jumping this phone. We're gonna jumping this phone and network will work full. So make sure you watch this video till end. Don't skip any step. Just watch till end. Then you will able to fix any network issues. As you see here, he jumped but mistakenly. So I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to jump network in any type of smartphone, especially those with network antenna. So it seems even the network point, the guy has removed it, but no problem. We're gonna jumping. This is jumping wire. You can even use that wire from earphones, and it works very well because it cannot cause any problem. So let us try step by step. Don't skip anything here. Watch careful. Let me use also this one. This one is very good. So here we're gonna jumping. We have removed the current wire to add our new two wires. Don't jumping network with only one wires. That will not work. You must jumping with positive wire and negative wire. Then the network will work. So on the network antenna, also network antenna has two wires, contain two wires. First wire is for ground and second wire is for positive. So don't imagine that you can use only one wire to jump. That can't work. You have to use two wires. So here we're gonna continue to jump. But I will explain the thing about network point, about ground and positive. Let me first fix this wire, then we start jumping. Okay. As you see here, as I told you, the guy has already removed network point. It would be here, but no problem. Network point has positive and negative. Let me try to add some image to explain about network antenna before I jump. Big side is GND ground and small size is positive. So let's add this. First wire will be on negative or ground. The second wire will be on positive. That is on motherboard. Even on subboard, we shall do it like that. So as you see here, the wire is added here. You see, that is ground. So even the second wire will be on positive. You see, positive and ground. So here on subboard also we have positive and negative, or positive and ground, as you see here. So as you see here, there's two wires from subboard. We're gonna soldering it on subboard also. The wire which we added to positive on motherboard will be on positive also to subboard, and the wire which we added to ground or negative, we're gonna add it to negative on subboard. That is the real jumping about network issues, and this method must solve solutions. As you see, let us testing. Remember that the first wire is for ground from motherboard to subboard, and the second wire is for positive from motherboard to subboard. Remember that. Let us test and see result. Remember, don't mix wire. When the wire is added as positive on motherboard, must be also positive on subboard. If is negative or ground on subboard, must be also ground on motherboard. Don't mix wire. So let us insert SIM card and see the result. We're gonna insert SIM card. If you have any question, remember to ask using comment section. And if it's your first time, don't forget to click on subscribe button, register yourself, and click on notification bell. Then you will be notified when we upload new video. As you see here, let me first remove this password. Yes. Let us see. As you see, network is full. So that's good. Are we gonna fix this wire very well? Then I will be showing you very well. Yes. You can ask yourself, why jumping? We need the jumping when you don't have network antenna. Second, as you see, when the phone don't have network point or removed, there we shall need to use jumping. It is also even to jumping network antenna. If it's cutted, you can fix it also. So let's first check if network issues solved. Remember, our phone was showing no service, so we need to see a result after this jumping solution. Insert SIM card. SIM card contain pin lock. We first unlock that. Yes. As you see here, no service. But let us wait a little bit. You have to wait a little bit. As you see, MTN Uganda network is full. Everything is okay. You see, let me check balance. Network is full. Check balance. You see, our phone is okay. You cannot call, you cannot chat. Everything is okay after this jumping solution. If this video is valuable to you, don't forget to share it to your friend, family, and relative, especially technicians. We have WhatsApp group you can join. In that group, use 3 languages: English, Kinyarwanda, and Swahili. You can join. You will be asking in your own language, and those who listen will answer. Thank you for watching. Stay in touch.